mopping people in baddies ass. Amy.
Size, Amy, you don't know how it is. In my size, Amy, you don't know how it is.
So I needed somebody to fight. As y'all could see, as soon as I joined, I got straight to it. I looked for a random. Y'all, I pulled out this little shiny purse since she don't really got nothing. And y'all, she beat the bricks off of me guys. I got freaking suffocated. Like, I feel hurt both in baddies and in real life. Lemma speed this up cause I can't stand watching the fact of me just dying so easily like this. Guys, don't even fucking look, please. I said please, the least y'all can do is close one damn eye like G. But y'all, in my defense, she had that little taser. And y'all, I was like, she's so innocent. I'll let this sweet, amazing angel from heaven get this stomped. Y'all, when I tell y'all my eyes were deceiving the fuck out of me, I mean those things lied straight to my face as if they could talk. I ran up on her right. Y'all, everything is going perfectly fine. I'm just fighting this angel, mind you, quote unquote angel. Y'all are about to see why I told y'all these eyes lied to me. Let me replay this bullshit for y'all. Y'all, this evil girl jumping me. What the hell do I mean, angel? Y'all just to tell y'all my smartest log because they don't deserve not one stomp on me. They just jumped me so bad, oh heck no. But here is me fighting for my skinny petite body, y'all. I'ma speed this up.
We're not too funny, you parking? We don't do all that jumping stuff around here.
Y'all, they probably trying to be funny, and they did succeed if they was trying to be funny because I know damn well I was not the one jumping in this situation, but y'all, I was dying of laughter like usually. I be yelling at these folks no matter who they are. But for some reason, they just had me crying. So now don't think this is any hate to them.
Oh my gosh, I'm so good. Nobody's messing with you.
Now please somebody tell me why the fuck I am fighting both my lag and this girl. Like holy the fuck moly damn. Then the bubble gum and a dish girl pops up. I dragged her by accident because she got in the way trying to make sure her friend doesn't get stomped on, unfortunately.
What you mean move?
Oh my god.
You move. Oh wait, you can't.
Y'all, I don't even think I have to speak on what I did. That piece of bubblegum must have gotten a little angry for stepping on her last week. Like, damn, it's not my fault you were in the middle of the street. Like, shit, my bad. Y'all, I got ready for the war. Now, y'all, I must speed this up until I really gotta explain what needs to be discussed, cause y'all, this is very serious. I am not playing.
Oh my god, leave me alone!
Bro, I can't even help one anymore at this point because you're making me mad today, bro. You're actually gonna get put on block.
Ooh, you hear that?
Bro, get away from me. You're making me mad, bro.
Wait! No! You smell like soup. You smell like soup. Okay, you smell bad.
You're making me mad over here, bro. So bad. Come back over here. You want to save somebody so bad.
Y'all, she did not like the fact that I was gonna leave her alone. Like, damn, I thought you wanted to break what happened. I was cracking up. So yeah, I'ma show y'all some clips of me fighting till we get to the part when I get jumped. Again. But this time by different people. I was just yapping, so I'ma just fast forward this. So this is one of the ones that jumped me. Not yet though. I'ma also fast forward this.
Robux?
Wanna
Excuse
go?
me, ma'am. Excuse me.
Now look at this girl jumping in from behind.
Oh, later I'm gonna show you. It's basically the ones. You heard it today? Did he just disappear or she? I don't know. Yeah.
Y'all, I needed that from Jade all day, every day.
Give you.
Maybe it's just
You just stole my song though.
Come on, y'all. Hold on. Hold up. Hey, hold up.
That was my song.
Then the one who I stomped out came back. Don't blame them though.
Sure. Right. Come on.
So as you can see, the funny ones were backlogged.
Oh, it's not like,
Y'all know the drill.
bro, it's up like that. What is that? Bro, I'm not doing that. Oh, my God, oh, maybe that's messed up. Hey, you don't do that around here. You don't do that around your body. You do not do that around your body. You don't do that around your body.
Y'all, they was jumping me with RPG. This is crazy. Y'all know me had to spin back. They was saving the ops, so you know had to do some hunting down to get that stoma back, cause I wasn't sure if I got stomped by that girl that was screaming, so just in case I had to get my last on her. This is the part that had me wheezing, y'all. I had so much fun getting jumped, but like I said earlier, I would be arguing if this was anybody else usually, but they just really funny. Like I never be having fun while getting jumped. I'd be so aggravated. I be wanting to throw this phone, y'all. So mind y'all, I was cracking up. I could barely breathe. Y'all might not find this funny, but I don't know, y'all. I just couldn't stop laughing. But goodbye. Thank you so much for watching. I would have loved to join back, but none of my friends were in there anymore.